Criticizing is probably the number one cause of family issues. Bad feelings between family members and spouses is probably the number one. Commenting and criticizing, always having something negative to say. Of course, I have to say it, That's what the person thinks. He has to say it. If you have to say it, it should be really, really thought over. How am I going to say it? When am I going to say it? Is it the proper thing to say it? Maybe I can put it away for a better time. And I think you also need to have the proper balance. Like, how many compliments did I give this person in the past? I don't know how much time that they're ready to take some criticism as well. And it's all because, I think the key word that you mentioned is constructive. If you want to be constructive, if you just want to give out your emotions, then, you don't care for the damage. That's not the point
Right.
of the book. But the point of the book is how to win friends and influence people. And I can tell you most probably 99.9% of the time, I would probably say more than 99.9%, is criticism is not going to get you to win friends and influence people.